Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Midea washing machine. First, make sure your appliance is correctly installed and connected to both power and water supplies. Take a moment to look over the control panel, understanding the function of each button and dial. Before you even think about loading, always check the care labels on your garments to ensure they are suitable for machine washing. This simple step helps protect your clothes and your machine. Now let's talk about loading and detergent. For optimal cleaning and to prevent damage, load your clothes loosely into the drum, aiming for about 3/4 full. This allows items to tumble freely. Next, add your high-efficiency, or HE, detergent to the designated dispenser drawer. Refer to your detergent's instructions for the correct amount, typically 1 or 2 tablespoons for a standard load. Remember, too much detergent can lead to excessive suds. Choosing the right wash cycle is crucial for clean clothes. Use the program dial to select a cycle that matches your fabric type and how dirty your clothes are, such as cotton, delicate, or quick wash. You can also adjust the water temperature, from cold for colors to hot for whites. For very dirty items, consider adding an extra rinse or a pre-wash option to ensure a thorough clean. Your Midea machine offers many versatile choices. Once your cycle and options are set, simply press the Start/Pause button to begin washing. After your laundry is done, remember a few maintenance tips. Regularly wipe down the detergent dispenser and the rubber door seal to prevent mold and unpleasant odors. For optimal hygiene, run a drum clean cycle about once a month, usually without any clothes inside. These simple steps will keep your Midea washing machine performing its best for years.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.